Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best carbon steel woks. So let's get started. Number 7. Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized. This exemplary modern wok is a fantastic bridge for those trying to master wok cooking techniques, bolstered by the peace of mind of working with a non-stick surface. In this elite partnership collection between Calphalon and Williams-Sonoma, you get all of the familiarity, ease, and quality of hard-anodized cookware, and then some. Its triple-layer interior is a significant upgrade from its already excellent other lines. It's remarkable for being able to bear the use of metal spatulas, whisks, and spoons, but not knives or forks, which is typically a no-no for non-stick. Plus, this wok boasts a specially textured surface designed to sear, which can imitate the coveted wok hay effect of char-kissed food. The fact that its core material is fast-heating aluminum also helps you capture every critical degree. Number 6. T-fal A0789. This bargain is a solid choice for those just getting into the art of woking. Its non-stick interior impressed our tester, who commented that even the most stubborn ingredients, like thinly sliced mushrooms, diced onions, and grated garlic, slid right off without leaving any residue or burn marks. This feature, in addition to its lightweight aluminum composition, may be just the boost a home cook needs to stir, flip, and steam with confidence. A long handle and stay-cool silicone helper loop provide yet another failsafe, and a flat base means anyone with a gas or electric stove can get cooking. Plus, its 14-inch diameter provides ample capacity to make a whole family dinner in just one wok before tossing it into the dishwasher. Number 5. ZhenSanHuan HandHammered. Hand-hammered and forged, there's no mistaking this wok for anything but authentic. Made by a real Chinese brand featured in the food documentary A Bite of China, the artisans at ZhenSanHuan use 100% iron, 36,000 hammer strokes, and 12 critical steps to make their heirloom quality, smooth-surfaced woks. Like cast iron, no coating is used for its non-stick finish. Rather, this higher-priced version takes care of the initial seasoning for you to build upon with use and oil treatment. Also similarly, it holds onto heat extraordinarily and won't be affected by the use of metal utensils, including traditional metal wok spatulas. However, unlike cast iron, this thinly beaten metal is relatively light, weighing in at under 5 pounds. Number 4. Pre-seasoned blue carbon. Real deal, fresh forged carbon steel woks are a challenge to get up to seasoning speed. This wok takes months of work out of it for you, as it's ready right out of the box, thanks to an intensive seasoning process. Mammafong eschews the spray coating shortcuts and instead seals natural oils in at an intense heat possible only with industrial ovens, baking in the oil that gives the well-polished surface a smooth, non-stick quality that won't flake off. Another way they focus on quality is through use of heavy, 16-gauge carbon steel, which remains surprisingly lightweight despite that. Finally, its flat-bottom design and carbon steel material make it suitable for all cooking range types. Number 3. Helen's Asian Kitchen. While some recipes do not need a cover, many of them need a lid to cook food properly. And Helen Chen's flat-bottom wok with a lid helps you with those recipes. The 14-inch flat diameter sits securely on any stovetop. Its versatile nature lets you use gas, electric, or induction cooktop, whichever you are comfortable with. While flat bottom cooks food evenly, high-domed lid retains the heat. Therefore, the food gets cooked quickly and evenly with the lid on. The cooking surface of the spun carbon steel wok collects a natural patina over time. This, in turn, creates that coveted non-stick cooking performance. Number 2. Helen's Asian Kitchen Carbon Steel. While some use the only stovetop for cooking, many people use a different heat source. And if you're unsure which heat source you're gonna use, then get Helen Chen's 12-inch carbon steel wok. Thanks to its flat bottom design that supports the use of multiple cooking surfaces. You can use a kitchen stovetop, gas, induction, or electric cooktop. Such versatility of the product makes it worth buying. Making this carbon steel wok involves the use of environmentally friendly materials. While carbon steel is recyclable, the bamboo handle is sustainable. Speaking of the handle, the two-tone bamboo is heat-resistant for comfortable use. Plus, it does not get very hot even if the flame is on high. You can toss ingredients without wrapping a cloth around your hand before grabbing the handle. Number 1. Carbon steel wok for electric. If you prefer an electric stove or induction cooktop over gas, then this carbon steel wok is for you. The shape of the cookware is such that it fits perfectly on flat cooking surfaces. Be it electric, induction, gas range, or other heat sources, you'll get the best results every time. Not only is this a great cookware to cook food, but also good in looks. Unlike steel or aluminum color, this is a black carbon steel wok. But black exterior does not mean it comes seasoned. You need to follow the wok tempering method just like you do with other carbon steel woks. What we like the most about this unit is the printed hammered texture. This pattern looks gorgeous and will enhance your cookware collection. Besides, it retains heat and cooks well on a high flame, which is the main purpose of buying a wok.